Hey bakers, today I'm going to show you how to make Diplomat cream. You combine pastry cream and whipped cream and you get Diplomat cream. This cream filling can be used for cream puffs, many different kinds of pastries. It is light and fluffy, it's delightful. So the recipe is in the description below. Print that out and you can follow along. Grab a medium-sized heat-proof bowl. You'll need 3 large eggs. These are at room temperature. You'll put 1 whole egg in and 2 egg yolks. Next, add a 1/2 cup granulated sugar. That's 100 grams. Add 3 tablespoons cornstarch. That's 24 grams. And 1/8 of a teaspoon of kosher salt. That's 0.5 grams. Grab a whisk and give this a really good vigorous whisk. This could take up to 2 or 3 minutes. This will actually start to change color. When it's light and fluffy and white in color, then you'll know it's done. If you take your whisk and you can kind of make a figure 8 on top and you can see it, you know it's done. This is ready. Now we need a medium saucepan. In your saucepan, you want to add 1 cup of whole milk. That's 240 milliliters. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 240 milliliters. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla. That's 10 milliliters. Turn your heat to medium and stir this occasionally. Just keep an eye on it so it doesn't scald or burn or anything. When it begins to boil, remove it from the heat. This milk and cream mixture is nice and steamy hot. I'm going to remove it from the heat. Bring your egg mixture over. And you want to pour just a thin stream of the hot milk in while you're whisking. Give it a gentle stir. We're slowly incorporating the hot into the egg. We don't want to cook the egg. This is called tempering. So just a fine little stream while you're whisking. Pour about half of the hot mixture in. Now, we'll add this egg mixture right into the saucepan while we're whisking. Now return this to the cooktop or your oven, the heat source. Same medium heat, and bring this mixture to a boil. You need to whisk constantly at this point. Okay, once your mixture begins to boil, turn the heat down and continue whisking constantly. Let it boil for 1 minute while you're whisking. Once you see those nice big burps, the mixture is thick, you know that it's done. Remove it from the heat. It's bubbling away. And then you need to stir in 2 tablespoons of cold butter. That'll kind of arrest the cooking because it needs to slow down now. This will make it nice and smooth and creamy. This is 28 grams. Stir that until it is completely combined. Once the butter is all incorporated, pour this through a fine mesh sieve into another heat-proof bowl. This is really hot, so you don't want to break one of your bowls. Pour it through the sieve. We're basically trying to just eliminate any lumps or uncooked egg or anything like that. This needs to be really nice and smooth. And now we have a beautiful pastry cream. This is basically a pudding. You could eat this just like this. And many recipes call for pastry cream. This is how you make it. We're taking this one step further, adding whipped cream and making a Diplomat cream. This needs to cool completely, so I'm going to cover it with plastic wrap and set it aside to chill while we do our whipped cream. When you put your plastic wrap on, press it right onto the surface of the cream. It will come off once it's chilled. This prevents it from forming a skin, so press the plastic wrap directly onto the cream. And I'm actually putting this in the refrigerator. So our pastry cream is completely chilled. Now it's time to add some whipped cream to it to finish off our Diplomat cream. To a bowl, whatever you need to put your cream in, add 1 cup of really cold, heavy whipping cream. That's 240 milliliters. 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. That's 24 grams. Whip it until you get stiff peaks. Start out slow. When your beater starts to make tracks, you just want to check it periodically to see where you are because you don't want to go over. Looks like we might be there. We have a stiff peak. Give your pastry cream a stir. I had this in the refrigerator, so it's kind of firm. So you just want to soften it up a bit. Once you have it smooth, you can start incorporating the whipped cream into your mixture. Half of it in. Just gently fold it. Once you have most of the whipped cream incorporated, add the rest in. Continue folding it until it is all mixed in. Our Diplomat cream is done. Look how yummy. So if you want to know what my favorite way is to use this Diplomat cream, check out this video and I will see you there.